Substances can be classified as elements, compounds, or mixture. Each of the diagram below represents either an element, a compound, or a mixture. In which one of these is represented by each diagram? ये हमने पहले भी एक दफा चेक किया था कैसे करना है. तो अगर हम वन देखें, ये आपका सिंगल है. This is basically your element. Two को देखें, we have two elements combined together. This would be a compound, and this is an example of CO2, carbon dioxide. यहाँ पे क्या है? An element is mixed with a compound. जब element और compound mix हो जाए, we call it a mixture. हम उसको क्या कह देते हैं? We call it a mixture. ये क्या है? O2, O2, O2. I told you that O2 is not a compound. It's a diatomic element. ये आपके पास क्या होता है? Basically ये diatomic element है. तो ये भी basically element ही इसका आंसर होगा. This is the question that examiner gave you to confuse. क्योंकि some elements exist individually, but oxygen always exists in a diatomic form. Remember that. आपको 7 diatomic elements हैं. You have H2 hydrogen, O2 oxygen, N2 nitrogen, F2 fluorine, Cl2 chlorine, Br2 bromine, and I2 iodine. These are your 7 basic diatomic elements in the whole periodic table. Substances can also be classified as solids, liquids, or gases. Each of the diagrams below represent either a solid, liquid, or a gas. State which one of these is represented by each diagram. तो आपके पास यहाँ पे वन में कौन सी है? Obviously ये आपके पास एक solid है. और आपके पास टू क्या? Is it a liquid or is it a gas? It is a gas. ये आपके पास दोनों correct answers हो गए, solid and gas. The diagram shows ammonium chloride being heated in a test tube. ये आपके पास ammonium chloride पड़ी है and we are heating it from the bottom. यहाँ पे आपके पास mixture A form हो रहा है and here is the white solid being formed as well. The formula of ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. How many different elements are there in ammonium chloride? So ammonium chloride के अंदर we have nitrogen as well, we have hydrogen as well, we have chlorine as well. ठीक है, हमारे पास nitrogen भी है, हमारे पास chlorine भी है. So in total we have 3 kinds of elements in ammonium chloride. Identify the two gases in mixture A. कौन सी दो gases बनेगी? Nitrogen से एक ही gas बनती which is ammonia. We'll be studying this in the later chapters as well. और दूसरी गैस कौन सी बन सकती है? हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. एक तो आपके पास बन गई NH3, दूसरी आपके पास बनेगी हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. नाउ हाउ डिड आई मेड दीज टू गैसेस? ये देखें, हमारे पास कंपाउंड है NH4Cl right in front of us. And the second thing is, how many nitrogen do I have? 1. How many hydrogen do I have? 4. How many chlorine do I have? 1. एक गैस में बनाऊंगा NH3. I'll use 1 nitrogen and I would use 3 hydrogens. एक गैस बन गई NH3. What am I left behind with? I am still left with chlorine and I am still left with the 4th hydrogen. तो 4th hydrogen को मैं यहाँ पे लगा दूंगा. So the two gases I have identified, the first one is ammonia gas and the second one is your hydrogen chloride gas. ये भी gas है और ये भी gas है. So these are the two gases that are formed when ammonium chloride is heated. तो अगर आप इसकी equation लिखेंगे, so that would be something like this, that NH4Cl, ठीक है, इसको aqueous लिखिए या solid लिख दें, would be decomposed into NH3 plus HCl gas. Identify the white solid. White solid भी आपके पास है ही NH4Cl. NH4Cl itself is a solid. Place cross in 2 boxes to identify the processes that occur in the test. कौन-कौन से process हो रहे हैं test में? One thing I need to tell you here. When one substance without reacting with anything only breaks into 2 other substances with the help of heat. When you provide heat, और जब एक ही सब्सटेंस 2 सब्सटेंसेस में ब्रेक डाउन हो जाती हैं, we call it decomposition. Moreover, when we are also talking about जो आपके पास एक NH3 गैस ही बन रही है, NH3 is an alkaline gas, हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड इज एसिडिक गैस। तो जब दोनों एल्कली और एसिड कंबाइन हो जाते हैं, न्यूट्रल गैसेस आर फॉर्म, जिसको हम न्यूट्रलाइजेशन भी कहते हैं, व्हेन दे कंबाइन टुगेदर। वी विल डू दिस in acid bases and salts as well, so no need to go into it further.